Hey everybody, it's Alice.
And Malibu.
Now, breaking news. We're taking over the industry.
Shit.
The show.
Shit just got real, okay? We have taken over.
Real
DJ
life.
Cam, I'm sorry.
I think he's like traveling around the world or something like
Where
that
did
right
he
now.
go?
The North Pole.
Maybe.
Merry Christmas to all you guys out there, by the way. No, back to real life real quick. So, we're basically gonna shoot episode 7 next week. And we're just the subs for right now.
DJ Cam will be back.
And but we know that you're gonna miss the blonde and the brunette here, Malibu and Alice. And
We will be back though, episode 7 next week. Come check us out with DJ Cam on the show.
with DJ Cam.
Alright? See you guys later.